Beautiful people, in today's masterclass you're going to learn how to make a vegan version of the original Valencian paella. Greetings beautiful people, welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen! Folks, today, very special masterclass. We're here with...
Daniel.
Daniel, where are you from?
Valencia.
Valencia, what are we making today?
Paella. Traditional paella.
And it's 100%
vegan.
My man, let's go! Okay, starting off with the ingredients, you're going to want 1 can of butter beans. We're using 2 blocks of smoked tofu. You can use regular, that's fine. We're just going with the smoked for the extra flavour. We'll need some olive oil in there. 4 tomatoes. Try and get the really red ones. I've got special rice here. Now this, you can use risotto rice, I guess, but this is the proper Spanish rice. So we've got a small handful of green beans. Now we're going turmeric for a bit of colour. Sweet paprika, not the hot one, sweet paprika. Here I've got some vegan chicken stock or bouillon. Use vegetable stock if that's what you can find, and that's going to give the tofu its flavour. And I've got a big teaspoon of salt. Okay, so Daniel, what's the first step?
The first step is peel the tomato and put in the boiling water.
Okay, how are we going to do this?
We put across.
Yeah.
And we wait until the water is boiling. Meanwhile, I prepared the cold water. You will see something magic. But for now, we cut the end of the green beans, just like this.
Okay, looks like the tomatoes are ready and they're starting to peel themselves. We're just going to drop those into the cold water now.
Now I take the tomato and I peel it. And I take off the top. Now we need to chop them.
You can usually do this by hand, but we're going easy today. We're using the blender.
Now we're going to fry the tomato.
Perfect. Just going with a nice amount of olive oil there. Okay, so Daniel, tell us a bit about yourself. So you're from Valencia.
Yeah.
Now, paella originates in Valencia?
Yes, in Valencia. The real paella has chicken and rabbit, okay? And before this paella, the chicken and rabbit was for poor people, and they cook with rats, chicken and rats, because they don't have money.
Wow, goodness me.
Meanwhile...
No, but it's not for this.
That's okay. So our Spanish chef here is teaching us a new little trick. Go on, tell him what you told me. So what are we doing?
Okay.
We're not doing this now. He just told me a little tip. He saw my agave sitting there on the thing.
What?
It's okay. Just tell him.
Take it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say it.
So if you take agave, vegan mayo, and how do you say it?
Mustard. Yeah.
And combine, you have a really incredible sushi.
Amazing. We're going to try this on a salad at some point. I'm going to do this. I've got mustard. And I've got vegan mayo as well. And that is looking nice. Right, chef, what are we doing now?
Now I'm going to marinate the tofu.
So, my man's a professional. He knows the trick. Basically, guys, in case you didn't know, when you're cooking tofu in a sauce or whatever it may be, never cut it, because what happens is when you cut it, the surface is so smooth. With this, make sure your hands are clean, but with this, if you can see all these little spaces, the sauce is going to attach to it and it's going to make it much more flavorful. Because if it's a smooth cut, the sauce doesn't really get into it. So you hopefully learned something new today. So we've got our vegan chicken stock powder now, and we're going to let the tofu soak this up. We'll give it a little massage. Like I said, because he hasn't thin sliced that, you can see it's going inside all the little holes. After 5 minutes, I'm just going to pour some boiling water on there and let that sit. And we're going to be using this water for the rice.
We're going to start the paella.
Oh, we've got the big boy out here. Let's do this.
We put this here.
Amazing. Right.
Now, let's go.
Let's go. Look at that. Look at the shine. Look at the shine on that. Right. Okay, what's next?
We're going to take it out. Okay, the
Yep.
tofu.
Right, this is probably going to splash because it's really wet.
Okay, now we can put the green beans.
Smells amazing. The colours are amazing.
And now we can put the tomato. Now we can put the sweet paprika. And turmeric. Okay. We need a little more.
He's just adding a little bit more water in there. How do you know when it's enough?
When stay up.
Ah, the little rivet things.
Yeah. Okay. Now we put the butter beans.
I'd say about 5 minutes have passed. So he's just seasoning it now. There's about 2 teaspoons of salt in there so far.
Okay, so in Valencia we have a typical rice called la fallera. La fallera is the wood quality, is the better for the paella.
And you're telling me it's called paella because the actual dish itself is called paella.
Yeah, this is paella. So paella really is the pan and not the food. Okay, normally in Spain, in Valencia, on Sunday we join with our family and we eat a big paella for 10-15 people.
Wow.
When the water stay under the handle, we can put the rice.
So this absolute legend, he's brought a little gift. I don't know what these are called in English. They're just amazing. I love these. I haven't had them in like 5 years or something. Only throughout my travels. If you know the name of this fruit, it's there's like a stone inside, like a little pit. It's sweet. It's amazing. I just cannot remember the name of it. So let me know in the comments if you know. But muchas gracias.
De nada.
And now I can see we're down to the rivet things here. So we're at the base. So I believe now's the time.
And we can put in a cross. Okay.
Now we didn't actually wash the rice. You didn't you didn't clean it.
No.
Usually I would wash it, but I didn't do anything. He's the boss. He knows what he's doing.
Now I'm stirring it.
How do we know when this is ready?
When no more water.
Oh, literally just when it's like dry on the top. Okay.
Now we wait.
Okay, so we've lowered the flame now. There's a little bit of a burning smell. It's normal that it smells.
It's normal because the base, we say torra is like toast.
Ah, okay, right. Yeah, so you're gonna have a crunchy base.
Now you try the rice on top. If it is not soft, you can put a little more of water. Now we can put this.
Are you just gonna let it?
You can put towel and wait few minutes, 2 minutes, and it's done.
Amazing.
5 minutes later.
So here's the finished product, folks. Out in the sun. Beautiful people, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Daniel, show them. Traditional, don't drop it. Traditional Valencian paella. Daniel, I want to say thank you so much for coming, my man.
You're welcome.
Hugs, my man, hugs. Dude, thank you. Looks amazing. Oh, we didn't do a taste test. So.
Do you like it?
Oh, smoked tofu is amazing. fuego. Daniel, thank you so much. Tell him subscribe in Spanish. Suscribir.
Suscribiros.
Suscribiros. Guys, love you all. Hope you enjoyed this one. Subscribe if you like vegan recipes from all around the world. Take care.
Like.
Yeah, like it. Bye. See you on the next one.